If you recently performed a system restore and the Windows PC has been acting strange ever since, you can always undo the restore operation. To do that, press Windows plus S to open search, type Create a Restore Point, and click on the relevant result. Now click on System Restore. In case the restore was performed recently, you should find a Undo System Restore option here, which effectively reverts the changes made during the operation. Select it and click on Next. If the option is not there, select the Choose a Different Restore Point option and click Next. Select Restore Operation from the list. This is the same restore point that was listed on the previous window, and it should state Undo under the Type column. Click on Next to proceed. Verify the details for the selected restore point. The description should read Undo Restore Operation. If it does, click on Finish. Select Yes in the confirmation prompt. Undoing a system restore takes just as long as the restore operation itself, that is 30 minutes to an hour. Wait patiently while Windows fixes all the issues. When should you undo a system restore? You should undo a system restore if the restore did not resolve the issue, caused new problems, or removed important apps or settings. Sometimes a restore can fix one thing but break another, especially if the restore point was too far back. If your system was working better before the restore, undoing it can bring things back to how they were. Windows keeps a backup of your current state before applying a restore, so you can safely revert the changes if needed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.